Your research paper has too much good information but not enough space. Raw data, full survey questions, and detailed charts? Where does it all go? That's where appendices come in. Hello everybody, my name is Shane from the Jenny team, and today we are mastering appendices, how to organize supplementary material that supports your research without overwhelming your main text. An appendix is a supplementary material that's placed at the end of your paper. It contains information that, first of all, supports your research, or information that would otherwise interrupt the flow of the main text. It can also provide additional details for interested readers, but it should be information that isn't essential to understand your main argument. Think of it as the bonus features section of your research. Valuable, but optional. Some perfect appendix material include, first, raw data, full data sets, statistical outputs, survey results. Second, research instruments, complete questionnaires, interview protocols. Third, extended visuals, large tables and detailed charts that don't really fit in text. Next, technical details, complex calculations and extended methodologies. And lastly, supporting documents, permission letters, transcripts, and additional examples. If it supports your work but would bury your main points, it belongs in an appendix. Now, proper appendix formatting is crucial. First, remember to label them. If it's a single appendix, just write appendix. For multiple ones, you can have appendix A, appendix B, and so on and so forth. You should also give them descriptive titles. For example, appendix A, survey instrument. It's also important to start an appendix on a new page. Remember, each appendix gets to start in its own page. Next, remember to reference them in text. For example, see Appendix A for the full survey questions. And lastly, don't forget to follow your style guide. APA, MLA, Chicago, they all have specific appendix rules. Professional formatting shows attention to detail. Now, here are some appendix errors that you should avoid. First, the dumping ground syndrome. Don't just throw everything in the appendices. Only include what's actually useful. Second, formatting references. If you mention an appendix in your text, include it. If you don't mention it, readers won't look. Next, core organization. Within each appendix, keep information clearly organized with labels and headings. And the last mistake is putting essential information in the appendices. If readers need something to understand your main argument, it belongs in the main body, not the appendices. Now, here are 3 practical tips for your appendix. First, ask yourself, would my paper make sense without this? If yes, it can go in the appendix. If no, keep it in the main text. Second, maintain consistent formatting across all appendices. Same font, spacing, and style. And third, create appendices as you write, not as an afterthought. It's easier to organize material from the start. Well-organized appendices make your research look professional and thorough without overwhelming your readers. Master this tool and your papers instantly level up. Are you working on a research paper? Check out Jenny in the description to find a writing workspace that actually gets academic writing. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hi, Shane from Jenny here. Thank you for watching the video. Jenny is an all-in-one writing workspace that's designed specifically for students, researchers, and academics. Jenny helps you write with smart suggestions that include citations, manage all of your sources in one place, paraphrase your writing into any tone, and it also offers a smart Jenny chat, which is basically ChatGPT but tailored specifically for academics. You can try it out for free today. Link is in the description box. See you in the next video.